Has it happened that you dreamed big, you planned a big goal, and it became so overwhelming, so intimidating, so challenging that you could not even start? Maybe you wanted to go to gym every day for 1 hour. Maybe you wanted to burn fat and lose 10 kg of your weight. Or maybe you wanted to have healthier food choices and shun all the bad foods forever. But the goal was so big that the mere thought of it weirded you out and you could not even start. Or you started with your sheer willpower but left it soon, tired and frustrated. Hey, this is Vineet here and welcome to another episode of Wednesday Wellness. And today I'm going to talk about one powerful technique to build any good habit for rest of your life. And the technique is make a habit which only take about 1 minute to do every day, and you can create any good positive habit for rest of your life. The action becomes too small to fail and too small even for any special occasions. However, there is no upper limit for small habits. Once you start, you could go longer. The only thing is that you need to have 1 minute habit for each day. The human mind likes to quantify big picture, so it cannot break big projects into easy steps. So you need to break down a massive project into tiny steps, making sure it is embarrassingly easy to begin with. You are not committing to anything overwhelming, so your mind does not have a chance to shoot it down. Remember, doing a little bit is infinitely bigger and better than doing nothing. Doing a little bit every day has a greater impact than doing a lot on one single day. The only rule is that you must perform 1 minute habit for one full entire year. No exception to that. And there is no upper limit for small habits. It is 100% up to you. Now, what could be the examples of 1 minute habit? Going for a 1 minute walk every day, or taking one spoonful of salad before starting any meal, or eating one fruit every day, or doing 1 minute meditation every day. Let me know in the comments below which is the 1 minute habit that you want to pick today, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Till then, take care, see you, and God bless.